Hi, my name is Chinagoro, but you can call me Chigo. And this is my last year as a teenager. I have never had a boyfriend and never really felt like I needed one until I met Ike and everything changed. I felt something, but I wasn't really sure what it was. But then it started to get clearer and clearer until I understood that this was my knight in shining armor who had come to race me away from loneliness. I'm alright, how are you? And make everything in my life sweeter. They say you live once, but sharing that life with someone else makes it all worth it. Being in love has to be the best feeling in the whole wild world.
When you say men are trash, they say that's too harsh, don't say it. But seriously, after giving him her youth, that is her whole, that's the best years of her life. Her reward is him dumping her for a younger girl.
That is bad, Sha. But that doesn't mean love sucks.
It does. Love them in a good way. Good morning, Mom. Good morning.
Good morning, Auntie Nene. Wasn't you agree with this time?
Your mom thinks love sucks.
That's because it does. Just an excuse people use to act stupid and do foolish things.
Maybe, but sometimes in a good way.
In what good way? Nene? I pray. Tell.
Look at Tunji and I. Example.
Well, you guys are doing okay for now. No offense. But there are no guarantees.
Sis, I'd rather have what we have now than risk the possibility of losing it than not having it at all. You haven't even tried.
I'm not interested. I have my work, my child to take care of.
Watch out, this one. Chinagrom is not a big girl. You can't use that as an excuse every time. And your job, sis. Ah.
I have to go. My ride is here.
Hey, bye. I'm off to work. I can drop you off. Why the hurry?
No, Mom. Don't worry. I'm already running late.
Bye, girl. Good girl. I told you.
Good girl. Good girl. So how long are you with us this time?
Till the baby is due.
No, you're just looking for who will pick after you.
You know, Tunji is hardly home and I need someone to carry me around, pamper me.
Okay. That's what your niece is here for. So I'll see you when I get back.
You won't take this with you?
I have to rush. I have a very important meeting. I guess I'll see you when I come back.
Okay. Bye.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning,
sir. I have a very important announcement to make. As of today, my time here has officially come to an end. Not to worry. I'm leaving the company in the campus hand of my first son, the Zinwachuku, he will resume as your new MD. I therefore implore all of you to please respect him, support him, just as you have accorded to me over the years. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Is it?
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Thank you. I'm going to keep this very short.
Sir.
Miss Jones, I hope there's no problem.
No, sir. I just wanted to say that we are all going to miss you, sir.
Don't worry.
This place will not be the same without you.
Don't worry. All of you are in good hands. Trust me.
Sir, I wanted to bring up my upcoming promotion.
I know that is what you wanted to say. My son Dozie will sort you out.
Okay.
Is there any other thing?
Oh, no, sir. Enjoy the rest of your day, sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
If you're doing that to let me know you're still in the room, I'm very much aware, Miss George.
Sir,
I am very single-minded when I perform my duties. And your voice is quite distracting. I'd like to finish this first. How may I help you?
You sent for me, sir.
Yes, I did. I've gone through your file and I see that you're up for a promotion.
Yes, sir.
I prefer first name basis. I'm not that old.
Oh, okay. Yes, I am up for promotion. I have really...
You're not going to get it.
Excuse me?
You're excused if you're clear.
No, I'm not clear, sir. And why am I not going to get it?
That position is for somebody who has a lot of international training and perks. It comes with perks for people who are stable to a certain level. And seeing that you're a woman, you need to be married and settled. You're not married, are you?
No, but...
Rules are rules. Until you change your status, there's nothing I can do.
Your father was going to give me the promotion regardless.
I'm not my father. I'm in charge now. Favoritism is not my thing.
Too much heels. And having a boss that will keep you on your feet. He is so awful. Horrible human being. That's bad. It's worse. And that is an understatement. Just pig-headed and irritating. He does not listen to anyone but himself. Instead of him to do what he's supposed to do, which is approve my promotion. He doesn't. He won't. And I know it's because I'm single.
That's the rule, right?
Are you kidding me right now? Of course not. That's discrimination.
Mommy, take it easy. I'm sure when he gets to know you better, he will see that you really deserve it.
It gets on my nerves. My last nerve.
But sis, it won't be such a bad idea to get married, you know.
You're kidding, right?
Yes. Or don't you want the promotion so bad?
Are you for real?
What's that?
I have suffered. Do you know what this notice is about? A Valentine's Day party. Instead of that big-headed man to do his job, he's planning a Valentine's Day party. I mean, seriously.
Mom, why is that so bad?
First, I hate Valentine's Day. Secondly, I think it's a very silly notion. I mean, who in this country organizes a Valentine's Day party for their workers? My big-headed boss, that's who. He will not stick to doing his job. He's to be planning random stupid party. Who does that? I mean, some companies, the least they do is Christmas party. Valentine's Day. Very silly.
I don't see how this two correlate.
I was up for a promotion even before he took his seat. It was on his table. So you will think that's the first point of duty, right? Mm-hmm. His first point of duty is Valentine's Day party. Do you now see it?
But sis, he has told you what to do to get his approval. So you two marry now. Marry.
Are you for real? Are you serious? Okay, say I decrease. I'll just materialize the guy from thin air. And then force him, maybe at gunpoint, since all of us did grace. Like, you have to propose to me. He does. And then I will drag him to the altar. To what purpose?
Mom, we can just take this thing one step at a time.
God bless you, Ezibonwa. Sis, I will have to start by finding you a date for that Valentine's Day party.
No. I'm not going. I will not be anywhere near that rubbish party.
You will go because it's a work day. You will go.
And you can't go alone. Or you look like a loser. And your boss will be right.
I hate this.
Sometimes I hate doing stuff. But you told me I have to do it anyway.
You better not be talking about helping me massage my feet because I will just forget his hand on your face.
So just get ready for the party.
Hey babe, are you done with your job interview?
Yeah, just go home. You got me worried though. Why weren't you taking your calls?
Sorry, I was with my mom.
Oh, okay. How is she?
She's okay, but she just got some issues at work, but she's fine.
Okay, so I think she doesn't know about me.
Of course not. Are you trying to get me killed?
But you always say she's not so strict.
Yes, she's not. But when it comes to love and relationship, my mom is a whole different person on that. Well, I just pray she changes soon.
How?
Well, I and Auntie Nene have a plan.
Why is something like this? Your mom won't like this one.
What won't I like? What's going on?
The way your potential date looks.
And I think there are a list of other people we can still go to.
List?
Check, Mommy.
What's going on here?
Mommy, it is a dating site called Tinder.
And I'm blind. Obviously, I can see that. My question is, what is my picture doing?
That's the only way they can see your picture, so they will know if they're interested or not. And their pictures are also there, sis.
I don't care. Nene, I am not interested in dating any stranger off the internet. What is wrong with you people?
Mom!
And you? How do you even know about a dating site?
It's simple. You just bring your laptop, type dating site, piam, to come out.
Piam, you people really have time on your hands. And you, before I open my eyes, go to my room and clean it up. That's what you ought to be doing. Not surfing the internet looking for dates for me. You cannot walk into your mom's room and be like, oh my God, mommy, you work so hard. Let me help you to clean. That's what your mates do for their mother.
Sis, calm down.
Nene, I'm not interested in this rubbish. Please put a stop to it.
How about the promotion?
Obviously, I have to work something out with my boss. Okay. So, you're still sitting down. Let me come back and my room is still the way it is. See.
These pink lips.
What's the pink leaves? You like this one? Oh yeah, go on.
Go on, go on, go on, sweep me. Go, pink lips. Pink lips, go. That's the pink lips. So,
I told you first name basis. I'm not that old.
Mr. does it here's the report you asked for?
I don't need that anymore.
I don't understand. I spent all day working on it.
I asked Miss Onanoga to do the report and she already sent it at about an hour ago.
You asked her to do a report you told me to do.
It's called a backup plan. I need to send the report to the clients today, so I asked her to do the report for me so I can send it to them, and she already did that. Do you have a problem with that?
Why are you taking the report away?
You did the report for me, right? Good. Mrs. Onanuga is a very big contender for that position that you want so bad. And plus, she's married. So if you want that position so bad, I suggest that you work extra hard.
I'm ready.
Really?
What changed?
Let's just say someone is trying to steal my promotion. And I'm not going to sit back and let that happen.
I like it.
Okay, so I have the first candidate already.
From the website.
No. This one is my husband's friend. So I'll set up the date for tonight.
Tonight?
Mm-hmm.
What on earth am I supposed to wear?
I'll get you something to wear. I'll just arrange it, I'll teach you.
Okay. I am ready.
Oh my God.
You like?
Wow. Mom, you look so great.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Wow, please just smile. I need to take your picture. These pictures are going up on Snap.
And where?
Snapchat. Everyone is on Snapchat, Mom.
Yeah.
Come on.
You Indomie generation. They need to share everything online. You want to put my picture up where?
Mom.
Sis, make us proud.
Thank you.
Bye, Mom.
Hey, it's nice having you. You get, see, okay, like, what do you do? Like me now, I'm a software engineer. You get, because, but basically, people do not understand what a software engineer is. We need to understand, like, the computer language, our coding, because what we are doing here is different from what is showing over board. But let me not bore you my kind of work, you get it. So, what would you like to eat apart from this drink? But for me, I like eating jollof rice. You get, but apart from the jollof rice, because I used to like fried rice, but now because we're in a civilized world now, I'll just eat jollof rice and with a touch of beans on it.
Was so rude, had no table manner whatsoever. Wow, really, literally the worst date ever.
Oh, I'm so sorry. But the next one will be better than this one.
Next one. Are you sure that's a good idea?
Yes. If you don't succeed in one, you try again and again.
What do you mean he's refusing to see us? Look, we need to get this appointment or otherwise we're in big trouble. Don't tell me that! This contract with Bridge House Limited is a game changer. Whoever lands this deal is made already. So get it done. We can't afford to lose it. Then give me somebody who can get us through the damn door and stop wasting my time.
Are you serious? I'm not fair. Can you imagine? If I wait, let me call Tola and give her the gist. Imagine. Nonsense.
Sis, no.
Kekwan, not the man.
I was not expecting to see you. You're not supposed to go to the market with you.
But I wasn't feeling too well.
Just now as I was walking in, you did sound like you were ill over the phone.
Before she left, I wasn't well. But now I'm better. You know, pregnancy now is off and on.
Because more kinds of
Wait.
You're saying you sent my child to the market all by herself?
No, I think she went with a friend.
Which friend?
You see, you have to now walk down your streets with all this bag. Simply because I can't drop you in front of your house.
Come on, Ike. It's not that of a big deal. And moreover, my house is not even that far from here.
But that's not the point, baby. That's not the point. I mean, how long are we going to continue this hide and seek? As if we are doing something that's bad.
Babe.
It's fine, it's fine. I'm sorry, okay?
Thank you.
Well,
for today, for helping out with the shopping.
come on, it's nothing.
So we'll talk later?
Sure, of course. Don't you always?
Of course. Go,
Alright, now take care of yourself. Okay?
Bye.
But I'm not happy that you still have to carry
It's
all
okay.
this
Oh.
Alright, now take care, right?
Hi, Mom. And Mom, you're home early.
Yes, I had a meeting and I decided to just come home after that.
Avoiding your boss?
That too.
Okay.
How was it? I heard you went to the market with a friend. Where is the friend?
Friend? What friend? No, I didn't go with any friend.
I thought you did though.
No, I didn't. I went alone.
I think my mistake. Him and pregnancy, you know.
I'm not here. Did you get everything we were supposed to?
Yes, I'm really tired.
My friend, show me what you got first. You're really tired.
Who is it?
It's me.
Come in.
Madam. I have to knock every day before I can enter your room. Baby girl, I'm sorry I couldn't go with you to the market.
No, it's fine.
Who did you go to the market with? Because it's obvious you don't want to tell your mom. So tell me.
Auntie Nene, please, I don't know what you're talking about.
You lie. I heard you on the phone talking to someone. Please come and pick me.
No! You must have been mistaken. Maybe it's the pregnancy.
My pregnancy, what? Ashigi. Okay, so I'm pregnant in my ears, Abby. Come on, talk to me. Look at this small girl. Oh yeah, talk.
Auntie Nene, I'll tell you, but promise not to tell Mom.
Okay, I promise.
Auntie Nene, promise, because I know you go and start telling Mom now.
I promise now. Tell me.
His name is Ike, and I really, really like him.
I knew it. You like him? Is he your first boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay, come. No funny business.
No, Auntie Nene, he's really patient with me. And he's willing to wait too.
Okay, Mama. It's better that way. Keep it like that. And you better start looking for a way to tell your mother. Because if she gets to know,
What does that mean?
It means all hell will be let loose. Or even more. Okay, I promise not to tell. I.
Are you sir? We got the meeting. Oh, fantastic. Bridge House is about to be one of our biggest clients. Yes, you know we never concluded now. Yes, of course.
Sir,
You can say I'm on the phone. Whatever it is that you want to discuss can wait. This conversation is very important. And shut the door on your way out. Sorry about that, Jerry. It's one of my managers. Yeah, you can say that again. Yeah. You know, I've been meaning to ask, how did we get the meeting again? What? No. Say the name again. Miss George. You mean Dorothy George? Shit.
Okay, so what do you want me to do? Oh, you know what? I'll send my niece to you. Yes. I'll call you back. Okay. Chinagorom. Is it my eyes or there's no food in this house?
Auntie Nene, if there is no food in this house, it means you've finished all the food though.
What do you mean by that? You don't know I'm pregnant. Anyway, you go to my friend's place at phase 1. You get me a package, and after that, you go to your mom's office.
What for?
She called earlier. She wants you to run some errands for her. Is there a problem?
I just go out from school now and I'm with there.
It's again. It's not your fault. And again, madam, don't forget to branch out the supermarket and get me some snacks. I can't be home without munching on anything. I'm pregnant. Go. Aleka, bafu. No, your fault. You don't know I'm pregnant. Come on, Kuko.
all right, show him to the conference room. I'll be there in a minute.
So I've been trying to get a hold of you, but I was told that you were in one meeting or the other. So about earlier, I think I might have been a little too harsh, so...
Harsh? Harsh, you say? You were not harsh. You were rude. In fact, you have been rude from the very first day you stepped into this office. And I've been wondering why your father handed this company over to you in the first place. I work hard. I really, really work hard. And have been loyal to this company for years.
So what, you want my job?
Hell no, I do not want your job. I want my promotion. I deserve that promotion, but you will not give it to me because you are a chauvinistic, egotistic, arrogant man who thinks I need a man to do my job. I don't. Now, unless this will be filed under misconduct and I'm being fired at the moment, I would like to go back to doing my job.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you? I'm fine. Please, is my mom on set?
I think so. Let me call and confirm.
Okay.
Hi, please, could you please tell Miss George that her daughter is here to see her? Yes, thank you. You can go in.
Thank you.
Hey, how you doing? You must be Dorothy's daughter.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Dozin Wachuku. I'm your mom's boss.
Oh, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Can I talk to you for 1 second, please? So I know that this is going to be really awkward. The thing is, I and your mom are in a really bad place right now. So I really messed up. So I'm trying to find out how I can make it up to her.
How bad was this mess up, sir?
It was really, really bad.
Can't you just apologize to my mom?
The thing is, I'm not very good at that. Plus, I have tried in my own little way, but it didn't go down so well.
My mom must be really mad.
Yeah, she is. So, what can I do to make it up to her?
My mom has early dinner most times at this restaurant after work to kill traffic time. I think you can start from there.
Hey, fancy meeting you here.
Yeah, you too.
What are you doing here?
Eating like a normal person?
Your card.
Oh.
Can I pick the bill for you?
Oh, no, I can pay my own bill.
I came to see my friend here, so I came to meet up with my friend. So.
Current.
Thank you.
All right.
I'll see you around.
Yeah, I'll see you around.
Yeah, that didn't go very well, so I don't know what to do.
Every Saturday, 7 a.m. at our estate, she goes jogging.
I'm not being fired for my boss the other day.
If you were going to be fired, if you were, you'd have gotten a meal by now, and I wouldn't have sent you a food basket. So.
The things I said.
I believe the words were chauvinistic, egotistic, and arrogant. Yeah, those were the words. I have been called arrogant, chauvinistic, and egotistic. No, not quite.
I am sorry.
No. 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 I should be the one apologizing. It's not something I'm very good at. I guess that's my egotistic and arrogant part.
You're not going to let me leave this down, right?
No, I'm not. And thank you. Thank you for being honest and not sucking up. It's always good to have somebody who tells the truth no matter the consequence. You look very pretty when you smile.
Thank you. I should be on my way now. My taxi will be here.
Why? Taxi? What happened to your car?
Just routine servicing.
Okay, then I should drop you off.
No.
No, I insist. Besides, there's some things I need to talk to you about concerning Dojas. And thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Come on, let's go.
That's me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah. The 32B.
Oh, okay.
Sure, it looks like I was pointing at that.
Oh, okay.
That's A and this B.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for bringing me home with that traffic.
Oof.
At the point I thought you were going to turn, but I'm home, so thank you.
No problem.
And thank you for the fruits basket.
Yeah. So, am I forgiven?
I'm push your luck.
Okay, I'm not. You're coming with me to the meeting tomorrow. Yeah, I insist.
You are so bossy.
Oh, you should be used to me by now.
Okay.
I'll pick you up by 9 a.m. tomorrow.
You know your way here.
I'm a Lagos boy.
Okay, Lagos boy. Crack up your bags. Let me get my fruits basket and have a nice night.
All right.
Okay.
Did you?
Auntie.
Go on. Did you win the lottery? No. Because since your new boss came, you haven't been smiling like this. Up where? You're still smiling. Who is responsible for this smile?
Ironically, it's my boss.
Did you get a promotion?
No. At least not yet, but he apologized for his behavior so far.
Oh.
Gave me this, I guess we will call it, I'm sorry, basket. He was even the one that dropped me off.
You don't say.
And we're going out tomorrow.
Hey, you're going out.
I'm on rotation, say, take it out. Look at your face. Stop it. It's a business meeting. Put your answer.
I like this business meeting. Okay, I like it. This one, you guys are going on business meetings, exchanging gifts, and going on dates. Very soon you walk down the aisle. Hallelujah. But my own is let him be unattached, because a cute guy like that with too much money, then they rush out. You know that?
Cute guy. To the best of my knowledge, you have not met him before. How do you know he's a cute guy?
With this era of social media, who needs to meet anyone? You told me his full name, Inkwa. I went to do FBI work for my sister. I saw him. Fine boy. Tall, dimpa, black, your color, where? That's him now.
FBI Nene, when are you going home?
This is my house.
Is Tunji not missing his wife? Because I'm about to call him.
Mommy, if you were Uncle T, would you miss her with all our wahala?
Imagine.
But she's saying the truth. So booking it too much. Yala.
When I go now, you people start missing me and calling me.
No, I will not. I will not.
I'm pregnant.
Please don't touch it. Let Nene finish. Stop it. Okay, what is it?
The way you smile, the way you talk, I love your touch. Baby, will you consider the way you bring me fever, the way you make me shiver?
Oh my God. You must make me jump. No! You let me know when you're done.
I'm a man, yes, I'm a man who needs some sugar tea. See, you're the girl, you're the kind of woman that needs that kind of love, and that's me, for sure, for sure. So pretty lady, will you consider that I'm your man? I'll be your baby, 'cause you got every little thing I need. You got everything I need. You got everything I need. Come on, baby. Just take my hands, I'll be your man. You got everything I need. You're everything I need.
Relax. She's in a better place now, and I'm sure it's the perfect time to tell her.
So I believe the plan with her boss worked, right?
Better than I expected.
Oh my God. So where is she?
She went out with Auntie Nene, but she'll be back soon.
Does she know I'm coming?
Not really. I only told her I had something very important I wanted to tell her.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, this is Ike on the line. How may I help you? Yes, I'm very grateful. Yes, I'm very grateful. Thank you. I'll be there first thing tomorrow morning. No, I won't disappoint you at all. Thank you very much. Alright, bye.
What was that about?
Babe, I have good news.
Tell me!
Guess. I have good news. Just guess.
I'm not good at that.
I got the job. Babe, I got the job!
Oh my goodness! So happy for you!
I'm so happy.
Congratulations!
Thanks.
What is going on here?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Chinelo, is this what you do when I'm not home? You bring in random boys to frolic in my house?
It's not like that, ma'am.
You! Will you get out of my house with all that facial hair? Get out!
Mommy, you shouldn't have done that.
Lukwalika, I say we parents together. That's Isine maybe correct? It's like something is definitely definitely wrong with you. So you bring in random boys, or should I call him man, to kiss in my house when I'm not around. This is what you do with your time, Chinagrom.
Mom, stop it! Just stop it! I'm not a baby anymore.
Wait, what did you just say?
I said I'm not a baby anymore. You were just only a year older than me when you gave birth to me. That
Will you be quiet? Will you be quiet? How dare you! Walon, I open my eyes. If you do not disappear from here, you ungrateful child! How dare you!
It's okay, sis. Okay. Wow.
Are you listening to this child?
I know.
Hello? I'm coming.
You told me nothing was going on.
I swear, Auntie. Nothing was. He just got a call that he got a job. We were both excited. That's just it.
It didn't look that way.
Auntie, I swear. I swear. That was what happened. It was just the kiss and Mommy just went off.
I guess your mother hasn't told you what happened between her and your father. She met your father when she was the same age as you are now. She was head over heels in love with him. She talked about him every day. Oh, your mother was in love.
Mommy?
And then, on Valentine's Day, he took her out to a lovely dinner. And then, after that, to his house. Your mother told him severally she wasn't ready. But I guess the young man was tired of waiting.
Oh no. He raped my mom? On a Valentine's Day? That's why Mommy hates Valentine's Day?
He raped her on Valentine's Day. And she got pregnant with you. And then she told him. He denied it. My sister went through hell. Back then, the society wasn't as accommodating as it is now. And then you came. You made every pain worthwhile. Chinago, your mother loves you with everything she is. That's why she doesn't want you to pass through the same thing she passed through. Do you understand now?
Have you told China about this? Maybe you should. It will let her understand that you're trying to protect her from something.
I don't even know where to start from.
Chinagram will understand. She's no longer a child.
She is my child.
Yes, nobody is arguing that. But she's growing up fast. Times are changing. And you need to be prepared.
She was literally kissing the boy right there on my living room floor.
I know how you feel, but if I'm allowed to speak freely, you can't impress your bad experiences on your child. My take would be to get to know the boy first and then take it from there. Come on, what other alternative do you have? Especially if she likes him. She's just going to go behind you and continue seeing him.
Thank you.
For what?
For bothering you with my problems.
Come on, isn't that what friends are for? A shoulder to cry on, someone to talk to.
Yeah.
Okay. A friendship. Or we can start with this. I always wanted to do that.
Okay, can do it again.
Oh, I do? Oh, okay.
Mom, please let me go first. I'm sorry for speaking to you that way. I didn't mean to be rude or insensitive.
I'm sorry too.
It's fine. Auntie Nana told me everything.
Oh. I should have been the one to tell you.
It's fine.
Bro, I know you think you're ready for a relationship. Trust me, you're not. You are too young.
Mom, please, just meet him first. And if you still think that we are not good for each other, then I will just let him be. Please.
You know I love you very much, right?
Yes, Mom, I know. I know you love me. I know you love me more than anything in the world. And I love you. I love you too. But Mom, I need you. I need you to help me. Hold my hands and make this decision, please.
Okay. Pick a day when you can invite him over.
Thank you.
Get to know him over lunch.
Thank you, Mom.
You know you can always talk to me about anything.
Thank you.
So, Ike, that's your name, right?
Yes, ma. It's short for Ikena.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old, ma.
She's 18. Don't you think you're too old for my daughter?
Oh, ma. Chigo might look. Chigo is actually young, but she's smart and intelligent, and she keeps me on my feet. I believe you trained her very well, ma.
What do you do?
I work with Stanford Incorporated now.
That's a big one.
Thank you very much, ma. I actually started last week as a first level accountant, and I actually intend learning on the job now.
So you think you're in love with my daughter?
I've been in 2 relationships all my life now.
2.
The first was when I was in school. Things didn't really work out well between us. She claimed she didn't love me anymore, so, but I actually learned a whole lot in the relationship. I got to understand that love is not just a feeling. I feel excited whenever I'm around your daughter, and I know loving her is not just a feeling.
but it's also a commitment. A commitment to nurture her, a commitment to make her happy, a commitment to take care of her. She might not always do lovable things, but I'm committed to her. So Ma, I don't think I love your daughter. I actually don't know I love your daughter now.
Kelewoyan now. See, Kelewoyan. The voice have you.
My parents have been in a loving marriage for 26 years now, and they actually rub it up on us, the kids, man.
The boy is too small. Nah, I pass the alarm. Go.
Thank you, Ma.
You're just fine.
You might as well speak English. I hear YK. He can hear you.
Man, babe, your family is so amazing, especially your aunt, Auntie Nene. Like, she's just something else on her own. No?
Of course, Auntie Nene. She's always like that.
So, I've been thinking for Valentine's Day, maybe we could just hang out at that new rooftop bar at Phase 1. What do you think?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. But I heard it's really expensive.
So why am I working hard? I don't understand. It's to take care of you, of course, now. Make you happy. Come on, it's nothing.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Mm-hmm.
And I love you so much.
And I love you so much. I feel like kissing you right now, but your mom can be somewhere with your aunt just waiting for me, just looking at us.
Of course, especially Auntie Nani. I know she's watching us right now.
And you know how my, should I say, interview went with them? Well, the way she was looking, it was like, I've already scored everything and I had good points with them. I don't want to lose everything the same day.
Of course.
So we'll have to talk later, okay?
Sure.
All right then. Take care of yourself, okay?
Okay, bye.
Make sure you call me, okay?
A video call.
Yeah, definitely.
So it went well?
Obviously,
Yeah, you see, I told you. By the way, I want you to supervise the preparation for the Valentine's Day party.
No, why would I do that?
Because Mrs. Mudiaga doesn't seem like she can handle it. So,
Frankly, I don't blame her. Like, seriously, why do you have to have a Valentine's Day party? Why?
you mean aside the fact that we are hosting top management staff from Bridge House and you are playing host?
Well, I haven't agreed to that part yet. But you know what I mean.
Oh, okay. So let me tell you a story.
Okay.
Okay. So long time ago when
I don't even know where I'm laughing. I don't feel like you want to catch cruise.
No, make I talk.
Okay.
Okay, so long time ago, I was an intern in a multinational company. I hadn't dated for a very long time.
Really?
Yes, really, I haven't always been this hot.
You told you're hot.
You're just a hater.
Okay.
You are a hater.
All right, continue the story.
So the company organized this Valentine's Day party. And I had super fun. Like, it was so much fun on a day that single people were supposed to be hopeless. I had so much fun.
So you are organizing a Valentine's Day party so that single staff are not left out on a Valentine's Day.
More like I want everybody to have fun. Singles and couples alike.
So you're romantic, aren't you?
Oh, yes, you know. And you like me being romantic, don't you?
I don't. Stop. We're working. We're laughing.
So what?
I mean, isn't there a no dating staff rule?
Even if there was, consider that it has changed with immediate effect.
So should I also consider, you can get your promotion because you're not married rule?
Why don't you try?
Stop it. I'm serious.
Well, I'm serious too.
Auntie Nene, this one you're dressed like this. Are you going out?
Your Uncle Tunji is taking me out. How about you? You're not going out with your friends?
Auntie Nene, you know it's just Ike now.
Why not for you? You're here forming Jane Bond. What do you want me to say?
Anyway, he's at work now, but he said he'll be closing early today, so he should be here anytime soon.
Okay, Tunji is taking me out for some seafood. I've been craving lobster for a long time.
Wow, that sounds like fun.
I know. And I would have taken you, but, you know, there is a crowd. Oh, baby's here. I have to go.
Have fun.
Thank you. And, Bia, mind the kind of fun you'll be having with Ike today. Okay?
Auntie Nene, but you know we're still waiting now.
I'm Andianes.
What does that even mean?
Figure it out. You're back so early. Huh?
I didn't go.
Why? What happened?
Oh, he said he had a meeting or something. He was just busy. I don't understand.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank God I told them to pack some lobsters remaining, so. Are you interested?
No.
You don't. Sorry.
You work too hard. You work too hard.
People should give you a raise.
Please make that in millions.
Okay, so when I
In dollars too.
okay, so when I plan the heist and I steal the money, I'll add it to your pay. What are you working on? Is that a bridge house brief?
No, that is ready for the meeting.
The Valentine's Day party.
Ready also, even though I'm still trying to wrap my head around why we should have this your party.
This isn't love, baby. And maybe we can cajole them into giving us a sweet deal.
Really?
So what are you working on?
This is a crystal cup.
Crystal cup. But that's not due till like 3 weeks.
That's because I like to plan ahead. Like to be ready.
Look, see, I like that you work hard, okay? But I'm like, you need to leave a little. When was the last time you did something that was fun?
Is this sensible?
What? No, it's not. It's a sincere question.
You sound like
No, it's not sensible. Tell me. Just let's go.
Where are we going to?
Pack your things. Let's go. Come on.
Okay, where are we going to?
Early lunch. Okay, let's just go and do something fun. And if you get a query, tell them to call me.
What kind of query me?
If you see the boat she and her husband are taking for boat cruise this Valentine, you go fear. What? Everything you want is in there. Baby girl, private jet has nothing on this boat. Anyway, Sha, I'm low-key jealous of her. But, see, if you tell her, I'll kill you. True. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Hey, students.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Afternoon. How was school?
Okay. Auntie, what boat cruise are you talking about?
My friend and her husband. They are going for boat cruise this Valentine.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yes, so. If not that, I'm almost due. I'd have told Tunji to get a better boat more than their own. But I'll just make do with the dinner he planned.
Auntie, please don't stress my Uncle T. Tonight is really cool.
Ilalika, shut up. I don't blame you. So, you and I, how far? Did you plan anything?
Babe, I'm not sure.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
Friday is a really busy day for me. I have crazy deadlines to meet.
But we planned this a week ago.
Yes, but a week ago, I didn't know my job would be this demanding.
That's all I get from you these days. Work and meetings. As in the last time you even slept off while talking to me.
Chico, see, I was tired. I had a long day at work. And you know this job is important to me.
Important to you? What about us? Are we not important anymore?
Come on, babe, now you're just overreacting.
No, you are underreacting.
I really don't understand why you're freaking out. Valentine's Day is not even a public holiday. I don't work for myself. Plus, I need to make
You know what? I don't need your stupid money. And you can spend all your time at work for all I care.
Fine, maybe I will.
Yes, I got home safe. Of course, I had a good time. Thank you so much. You have a great night. Okay, good night.
Who is that? Is that Dozie?
Sure.
I know you guys have been talking so much lately, but I didn't know you've started enjoying yourselves.
Someone listening to you would think we are having sex.
Are you?
No! Just a few kisses here and there.
Few kisses and your kid sister did not know. See, so tell me.
First of all, we've not had time to gist or talk about anything lately.
Well, I have all the time in the world now. Let's talk.
Please leave me. There's nothing to tell. Where's Chi, by the way?
You're blushing. She's in her room. And please don't even change the subject. Spill the food.
Oh, stop it. There's nothing to tell.
Blushing.
I'm not. Hey. The auntie said you've been indoors all day. What's going on?
It's Ike.
What happened? What did you do? You didn't do anything. So what's the problem?
Mom, I just feel like I'm in a competition with his new job.
It's like...
We used to hang out alone, like always, but right now all I get to hear is work, 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 work. And he even cancelled our Valentine's plan.
Let's come to the real world.
Mom, are you on his side now?
I am on nobody's side. Love is not just about fun, gifts, and flowers. It's also about real responsibilities and real life.
But I miss him.
Then get involved in the things that matter to you. Instead of being here and thinking you're in competition with those things. You love him, right?
Yes, I do.
Then put him first, like he always put you first. Wait. He does put you first, apart from this misunderstanding. Because this was out of his control. So, there you go.
Thank you, Mom. It's good to see you on the other side of love.
Thanks to you.
Me?
Yes. Dossier let it sleep during lunch that it was you that made it possible for him to kind of conveniently run into me everywhere.
Mom, I
It's
didn't...
okay, I'm not upset. In fact, thank you. Cheer up!
I will.
I knew it. That guy is too cute and rich to be single.
I don't know how I did this to myself. I just let my guard down. For what?
Sister, it's not your fault.
It is. I mean, I've always known that love is it's a bad business, and yet here we are.
So what are you doing? Crazy day, huh? We didn't even have a chance to see each other. Dorothy, is everything okay?
How dare you ask me that? How dare you ask if I'm okay after what you've done? What was the plan? To use and dump me?
What are you talking about?
Do not insult my intelligence any further. I know you're married. Yes, my sister saw you in a restaurant with your child and your wife. I think I was just letting my guard down to give love another chance. I don't want to hear it. I'm going to play host to your stupid party. And after that, I'm done. Please leave. I have work. I'm done. Okay. Off.
Mom, is this a new dress?
Yes, it is.
Beautiful.
But do you have to go?
I made a promise and I intend to keep it.
You don't owe him anything.
I know. Don't worry, just for some few hours. And since I don't intend to let this new dress go to waste, we'll go somewhere.
Go somewhere.
Well, it's Valentine's Day. I've said all I wanted to say.
Well, I haven't said everything I have to say. And I figured that we have to have this conversation before the party starts.
What conversation?
I understand your skepticism, especially because you've been hurt before, but if this is going to work, then you'd have to trust me. Dorothy, look, I really like you.
Yeah, so you expect me to be your side chick?
I don't want you to be my side chick.
So what do you want me to be? Your second wife?
Please, shut up, please, okay? I don't want you as my second wife, but before I answer that question, give me a sec. Dorothy, meet my cousin Daniela. Dorothy, the woman I'm crazy about.
I know.
Hi. Hey.
Daniela.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you were his cousin.
So she's married to my best friend, who is out of the country. He works out of the country. So most times I'll have to double as a substitute dad to his son.
I understand. I'm so sorry for the misunderstanding. It's his fault. I've told him countless times to bring you over to the house so I can meet you. But hey, Tony is back on Sunday. You want to come? Is it fine?
Yeah, so Sunday works.
Oh, great.
Sunday works. Tony is your husband, I believe.
He is.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Nice to see you again.
I'm proud of yourself. No, me, it is. Keep on to disgrace.
I know. So now that we have that out of the way, it is you that I want.
I'm still very upset. Why are you upset?
Okay, so we'll pick up from here. But let's sign that big house deal first, and then we'll finish up later.
Dozie, bye. I've been rooting for you. I told her that you're a nice guy. Hell, try to convince her.
Auntie Nene.
Okay. Don't listen to her. I can assure you that she was the chairperson of Crucify Dozie ASAP.
Sis, Dozie, I'm your only fan in this household. Don't mind it. You know I'm pregnant, so I can't lie.
Yeah, I believe you.
Trust me, don't believe her pregnancy car.
It's okay.
It's not.
The people, right?
Yeah, it is.
Hey, what if I can know I'm Kemichi?
What's going on?
What is not going on? This one is holding hands, and you're there doing eyes like that. I miss my husband. I wish he was here. Let me just call Tunja bed. Me, I have a man too.
And of course, that belly just disappeared and appeared on your belly.
I know.
Then leave me, please.
Me, I'll have to call Tunja.
Yes, remind him. Tell him how I've been feeding him. She eats like 7 people. Her husband. Oh, he's working. So we're taking care of her. Nene? What's going on?
Auntie Nene.
Nene? Nene?
The baby is coming.
What?
Auntie Nene had a baby boy, and they named him Kolawole Chinedu Badmus. As for my mom, she opened her heart to love once again, and Uncle Dozie became the coolest G ever. As for me and Ike, we decided to see where this would take us. My name is Chigo, and I'm out.